Hi, my name is Kieran and I'm a Walsh Scholar based in the Rural Economy Research Centre here in Teagasc. Before coming to Teagasc, I completed an undergraduate degree in arts in UCD, and after this I completed an MSc in environmental policy in UCD in 2018. In Teagasc, my research is focused on the bioeconomy. This aims to replace products that come from fossil fuels with more sustainable products that come from plants and agricultural waste. My research mostly aims to assist farmers in benefiting from the new income streams by getting involved in the bioeconomy. My research is a part of a wider concept called Just Transition, which aims to support farmers and workers move away from a dependence on pollutant practices for income in a manner which leaves no group behind. This PhD helps me to increase people's awareness of the bioeconomy and explain to them how it doesn't just benefit the environment, but can also have benefits for farmers and the viability of agriculture.